Today we are continuing to read Earthquakes by Seymour Simon. We're going to be starting on page 10. 4 out of 5 of the world's earthquakes take place along the rim of the Pacific Ocean in a zone called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Alaska, Washington, Oregon, California, Mexico, the west coasts of Central and South America, and the east coasts of New Zealand, the Philippines, Japan, and Russia, which is Kamchatka and the Kuriles, are all located along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Another major earthquake zone stretches through Italy, Greece, Turkey, and Armenia to the Middle East and into Asia. In the United States, almost half of the earthquakes each year occur in Southern California. In other sections of the United States, earthquakes are rare. Go ahead and look at page 11, which shows the earthquake zones in the continental United States. And we're going to pause the video, and I want you to talk to your partner that you're facing, and one of you is going to talk about where the most earthquake damage happens in the United States. Alright, we're going to continue reading on page 13. Why do most earthquakes in the United States occur in California? The answer lies deep within Earth. Our planet's solid rocky crust floats on the mantle, a 1,800-mile thick layer of very hot and dense rock that slowly turns around like a huge pot of boiling soup in very slow motion. The slowly moving mantle carries along the solid crust, which is cracked like an eggshell into a number of huge pieces called plates. The plates float slowly about on the mantle up to 4 inches a year. As the plates move, they run into or pull away from each other, producing enormous strains in the rocks along their edges. The United States and Canada are riding on the North American plate, which is slowly moving against the Pacific plate. The colliding plates cause most of the earthquakes along the west coast. But earthquakes can occur anywhere there are stresses in underlying rocks. Now I want the partner that didn't talk before to tell your partner on what plate does most of the United States fall on. Pause the video and discuss this for 30 seconds. As a table, I want you to discuss the following question. What details in this text explain why most earthquakes in the United States occur in California?